In this video, I'm going to share with you how to correctly connect a three-prong switch. So as you can see, this switch has 3 wires, 2 red and a black. Now the red wire that's at the end should be connected to a power source. And in this case, I'm going to connect it to the positive terminal of the battery. So this is always hot. The second red wire, that's the one that's in the middle, will be connected to a load. And in this case, I'm going to connect it to the red wire coming from the fan. Now as it relates to the black wire, it should be connected to the black wire from the load. Again, in this case, it's the fan. And this black wire will also be connected to a neutral wire. And in this case, I'm going to connect it to the negative terminal of the battery. So once we complete this configuration, the switch should be able to turn on and to power whatever load it's connected to. So if you can see here, turn on the switch, it has a light attached, so that light will come on and the device will also turn on. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content.